We live in an age where your television is no longer just a screen. It's just a window, a smart home brain, and increasingly the most important computer in our house. While everyone's distracted by the latest folding phones or the newest AI glasses, something massive has been happening right under your nose. Inside that little black box sitting into your TV. For years, critics call the Apple TV 4K overpriced and over-engineered. They said nobody needed a desktop-class processor just to watch Netflix. But as we sit here in 2026, those critics are finally eating their words. The Apple TV 4K has quietly evolved from a simple streaming box into the ultimate stealth weapon of the Apple ecosystem. But there's a dark side to the evolution. A set of features and pro-level capabilities that Apple doesn't advertise on the box. And a leaked roadmap for the next generation that is about to make every other smart TV on the planet look like a relic from the Stone Age. Today, we aren't just doing a review. We are going deep into the architecture of the living room. We are uncovering the secret M-series influence, the hidden slurred home pros and cons, and terrifyingly powerful AI integration. It is about to change how you interact with your home forever. If you think you know what your Apple TV is capable of, you are only seeing 10% of the picture. Stick with me because by the end of this, you'll realize that the most powerful device you own isn't in your pocket. It's plugged into your HDMI port. To understand where we are going, we have to look at the silicon gap. All competitors like Amazon, Google, and Roku are again race to the bottom, trying to meet the cheapest, flimsiest sticks possible. Apple does something insane. They put the A15 Bionic, and now reportedly the A17 Pro and A18 chips, into a device with no battery constraints. In the tech world, we call this unleashed power. Most streaming sticks struggle to load a menu without stuttering. The Apple TV 4K, however, has more raw processing power than the laptops that sent men to the moon, combined. But why? Why all that power for a 4K stream? The answer lies in computational vision. Just like your iPhone uses AI to make a tiny lens look like a professional DSLR, the Apple TV uses its silicon to remap every single pixel of your content in real time. It's not just playing a file, it's reconstructing reality. Let's talk about the purist's nightmare, audio pass-through. You head over to any home theater foreign in USA right now, you'll see war raging. On one side, the NVIDIA Shield Lilas, on the other, the Apple TV 4K fans. For years, the Apple TV was dismissed because it wouldn't pass through raw Blu-ray audio formats. But in 2026, the game has changed. With the latest tvOS updates and the rumored hardware revisions, Apple is finally addressing the high-end audiophile. Doing it the Apple way, not by just passing data through, but by using spatial remapping. Using the power of the onboard chip, the Apple TV can now analyze a room's acoustics using your iPhone's microphone and create a Dolby Atmos soundstage that feels like it's coming from the walls themselves, even for just using a pair of HomePods. This is the acoustic illusion, and no other box in the market could replicate. The real reason the Apple TV 4K is about to dominate 2026 is Apple indulgence. They've seen Siri be the butt of the joke